Good morning, everyone. This is Nilofer ma'am. I hope you all are fine at your homes and your study is going well. So, as you all know, that we are doing the syllabus of internal assignment 3. Our subject is English literature, and in today's video, I will explain you worksheet 2 that is related to lesson 4A. Topic of the lesson is the ashes that made trees bloom. So, as you all have seen that yesterday we have started lesson 4A, and in yesterday's worksheet we have discussed over the word meanings and make sentences related to the lesson, and in today's worksheet we will discuss over the question answers. So like always, before starting the work, you all have to mention today's date in your copies, that is 30 July 2021. With this you have to mention online classwork in your copies, and with this you have to mention lesson 4A in your copies. Topic of the lesson is not necessary to mention as you have already mentioned it when you have started the lesson yesterday. Now let's see the question answers. Question number 1 is, the old farmer is a kind person. What evidence of his kindness do you find in the first two paragraphs? So when we have read the first two paragraphs of the lesson, we have understood that the old farmer is a kind person, and we have to write that which evidence has shown that the old farmer is a kind person. We have to write the answer. Answer is, the old farmer was a kind person so that he and his wife treated their dog as their child. They loved him a lot. The farmer was patient and kind to all living beings. So in the first two paragraphs we have seen that the old farmer was a kind person, and that's why he and his wife treated their dog as their child, as human child. They loved the dog a lot, and the farmer was too kind about the living beings. He provided the food to all the living beings. Question number 2 is, what did the dog do to lead the farmer to the hidden gold? So the dog took the farmer to the hidden gold, and what did he do? We have to tell. Answer is, the dog took the old man to a place and began scratching it. So first of all, the dog took the old man to a place, and there he started scratching that place. The old man thought there might be buried bone or bit of fish. So the old man was thinking that there might be buried bone or bit of fish, because an animal would scratch the ground for the food only. Thus he dug the earth with his hoe and found the hidden gold. And that time he dug the earth with his hoe and he found the hidden gold. Question number 3 is in two parts. First part is, how did the spirit of the dog help the farmer first? So when the dog died, how did the spirit of the dog help the farmer first? Answer is, the spirit of the dog appeared to the farmer in a dream and asked him to cut down the pine tree over his grave and to make a mortar for rice pastry and a mill for bean sauce from it. So when the dog died, the spirit of the dog appeared to the farmer in a dream, and the dog asked the farmer to cut down the pine tree where the farmer made the grave of the dog, and he said to make a mortar for rice pastry and a mill for bean sauce from the wood of the tree. Second part of the question is, how did it help him next? So the spirit of the dog helped the farmer twice, and the next time, how did the spirit of the dog help the farmer? Let's see the answer. Once again, the spirit of the dog spoke to the farmer and told him how the wicked neighbor had burnt the mill made from the pine tree. So once again, the spirit of the dog appeared to the farmer in a dream, and the spirit of the dog told the farmer that how the wicked neighbors had burned the mill made from the pine tree. The spirit of the dog asked him to take the ashes of the mill to sprinkle them on the withered trees, and they would blossom again. Withered means dry trees. So the spirit of the dog asked him to take the ashes of the mill and to sprinkle them on the dry trees, and the trees would become blossom again. So these were some question answers which I have explained you. The remaining question answers I will explain you in the next worksheet. I hope everything is clear to all of you. If still any confusion is there, so you can ask me on the WhatsApp also. I'll meet you in the another explanation video. Till that, keep learning, stay home, stay safe. Bye bye everyone.